Welcome back to Good Father House Design. Today, we are exploring a beautiful, compact European-style house that completely redefines cozy modern living. Hidden away from the rush of daily life, this home is surrounded by a serene garden and lush trees, creating a true sanctuary for a peaceful living experience. Let us step inside together. As we approach, the striking contrast of the charred Shou Sugi Ban timber blending with dark slate stone instantly sets a calm, dramatic mood. Surrounded by lush greens under an overcast sky, morning light filters through the canopy, casting dappled shadows across the spacious yard. Every step along this pathway slows our pace, transitioning us into a serene sanctuary. Past the entryway, the house reveals its best secret, a breathtaking hidden courtyard at its heart. Here, the boundaries dissolve. The rustling leaves, soft wind, and rhythmic sounds of a central koi pond fill the air. Natural light pours from above, highlighting raw textures and bringing us completely closer to nature. Inside, the living and dining areas flow seamlessly into a cozy, intentional space. Massive panoramic windows frame the wild garden like living artwork. Dark slate floors and charred wood accents create a warm atmosphere, while the open layout floods the room with light perfect for resting by the fireplace while watching the rain. The kitchen perfectly balances modern functionality with old-world warmth. There is no clutter. Strategic lighting and natural materials create a welcoming space, while clever layout design optimizes every inch of storage, ensuring efficiency never compromises the home's grounded aesthetic. The master bedroom is a private sanctuary wrapped in profound tranquility. Floor-to-ceiling windows perfectly frame the lush garden, making the compact space feel incredibly open and luxurious. Charred wood accents and soft, indirect lighting create the ultimate atmosphere for evening rejuvenation. As the sun sets, the house undergoes a magical transformation. Low, warm amber architectural lighting highlights the deep ridges of wood and stone. Bathed in an intimate glow, the garden and courtyard gently invite us to step outside, take a deep breath, and immerse ourselves in the peaceful evening. Thank you so much for spending these quiet moments with us today, as we explored this minimalist small house and its hidden tropical oasis. We hope this walkthrough brought peace to your day and inspired your own dream retreat. If you enjoyed this journey, please leave a comment sharing your favorite space, and don't forget to subscribe to Good Father House Design for more calm architectural experiences. Until next time, may your spaces bring you peace.